Hello everyone, welcome here in 3rd class MSc. Students, in previous video we completed reading of chapter number 5 with due respect. In this video we will start exercise work of chapter number 5. Come to this page number 24. Let us reflect. One day an old lady came to meet Father Karol Wojtyla. She told him that previous night there was a theft in her house and everything was taken away. Father Wojtyla immediately gave his bed and pillow to that lady. Do you know who Father Karol Wojtyla was? He was Saint John Paul II, who loved children. Yes. Let us check. Here is difference between Meenu and Teenu. Yes. What about the Meenu? Meenu pushed and pulled others to get into the bus, into the school bus. And what about the Teenu? Yes, quietly got into the bus after others got in. Next, yes, about Meenu. Spoke ill of friends, and Teenu helped Reena, who was poor in studies. Yes. Next, about the Meenu. She had 2 pencils but did not give one to Roshan, who did not have a pencil. But Teenu gave her pencil to poor Ravi. Meenu quarreled with 2 children, and Teenu asked pardon and became friends again. Yes, here the difference between Meenu and Teenu. Friends, come to the next page number 25. Yes, this is about the difference of Meenu and Teenu. Yes. Whom do you like? Whom do you like? Meenu or Teenu? Yes. You have to write here. Because she, yes. Behavior you have to write. You have to give the reason. Yes. How would you like to behave? Like Teenu or Meenu? Yes. I will try to behave like Teenu. Yes. Okay. Let us do. Here, our hearts are like a glass vessel. If there are beautiful things in it, it will shine. But if there are dark things in it, it will look dark. Here are 2 glass vessels and a list of good and bad things. Let us separate them and put them in the vessels. Okay. Here some good and bad things in combined form. Yes, here 2 glass vessel. In first we have to write good things. Here good things are love, enthusiasm, obedience, honesty, joy, patience, respect. And we will write here in bad things: anger, hatred, theft, laziness, jealousy. These things we will write in bad things. Come to next page number 26. Let us find the answers. Question number 1 is, what was the cause of fight among the fingers? Yes. Who is the greatest? Was the cause of fight. Second. What did the middle finger say? Middle finger said, I am the tallest among all. Third. Write two ways by which you show respect to others. Yes. First is we should respect elders, and second is we should always offer seeds to elders. On this page, students, you have to prepare let us sing. Let us consider everyone greater than ourselves, love and respect all teachers, parents, and friends. A heart full of goodness, a heart filled with love, a heart born in humility. The world will respect ever. Students, up to next video, you have to learn this chapter number 5. Thank you everyone.